Hello class 10, good morning. In chapter 3 arrays programming, in today's class we are going to learn how to create an array using a scanner class. Means using a scanner method, how to create an array and write a program. For example, we have taken a question, a program to accept 10 numbers. To accept how many numbers? 10 numbers. And print the sum and average. So we are going to write a program to input to declare an array. First we will declare an array to accept 10 numbers in it, and then we will input 10 numbers in the array using the scanner method, scanner class, and find the sum and average, print the sum and average. So when we use the scanner class, we have to import which package in our program? java.util.scanner. So import java.util.scanner. And if you remember in our last program, if we input using the input distributor buffer reader, then the import package was java.iu. But when we use the scanner class, we have to import the package java.util. Public class sum average, public static void main string args. No need to write through IO exception like input distributor. A scanner n equal to new scanner int n square bracket array sign equal to new int 10. So when this line will execute, it will declare an empty array by giving a name n. Array name is n. And it will occupy a space in the computer's memory by giving the name n, and it will divide it into how many parts? 10 parts. n0, n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, n6, n7, n8, n9. But nothing is stored in it. Okay. So now array is declared, an empty array is declared. Now int I sum equal to 0. I for index variable. I is the index variable, sum equal to 0. For I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So loop will run from 0 till 9, 10 times. This loop is going to run from 0 till 9 for how many times? 10 times. System out println enter a number n I equal to in dot next in. So it will input n0, n1, n2 like this. So when we run the program in terminal window, the message will come, enter a number. Message will come, enter a number. Suppose you have pressed 5, press the enter key. As you press 5 and press the enter key, I value is 0. The first number 5 will get stored in n0 place. That means it will be stored here. Again, message will come, enter a number. Suppose you have pressed 50. Press the enter key. So as you press the enter key, it will go for the next I will be 1. So the number will get stored at n1 place. So n1 value at n1 place, the 15 is stored. Okay. Again go for the next I will be 2. Again message will come, enter a number. Message will come, enter a number. Suppose this time you have pressed 29. I press the enter key. So this 29 will be stored at n2 place. Again enter a number. Suppose 50. 50 will be stored at n3 place. So like this, when you run the program, this message will come 10 times, and 10 times you have to press different number. So after executing this loop, all the elements in this array will be stored. The array is created. Okay. Now all the numbers are filled in, all the elements are filled in the array. Now we are going to find a sum. So sum is already declared, sum equal to 0. So for once again, for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. S equal to S plus Ni. S equal to S plus Ni, 0 plus Ni. The Ni means N0, N0 plus what is there? 5 is there. 0 plus 5. It goes for the next time will be 1. The S equal to S plus N1. So at N1 plus what is there? 15. The 5 plus 15. Again go for the next time is 2. The S equal to S plus N2. n2 plus what is there? 29. Then plus 29. Again go for the next try. Next try is 3. S equal to S plus n3. n3 plus what is there? 50. The plus 50. So like this, one by one, all the numbers are added. After adding the number, calculate the average. So double FG equal to sum by 10. Why by 10? Because there are 10 numbers. Now print the sum equal to S, print average equal to ABC. So what we have learned in this program, that how to create an array, and by using the scanner method, scanner class, input the number. See, only this time we have to import the package java.util, declare the array as usual, data type, array name, square bracket equal to new int, and size of the array. So array is declared. Create the loop, input one by one number according to the data type. Data type is int, so we are going to use the next int method. If it is double or float, then accordingly we will take the method next double or next float. After inputting 10 numbers like this, when you run the program, like this 10 numbers will be input. Then it finds the sum in different loop, S equal to S plus n0 n1. So after finding the sum, comes out of the loop, calculates the average, then prints the sum, prints the average. So I think you have understood the topic, that how to create the array and input the numbers in it by using the scanner class. Now practice some programs. Thank you.